Welcome to the crypto casino. What are digital assets anyway? Let's break it down. Digital assets are things that exist only on computers. Think Bitcoin, not dollar bills. Bitcoin is the poster child, but there's a whole zoo altcoins, NFTs, and stablecoins. Altcoins are the knockoff brands. NFTs are digital receipts for things like cartoon apes, and stablecoins are digital tokens pegged to real-world currencies. Stablecoins are supposed to be simple. One coin equals $1. But in crypto, nothing is ever that simple. Supporters see digital assets as a revolution, a new financial system without banks or gatekeepers. The dream, decentralization, power to the people, not the skyscrapers. But reality's messier. Utopian visions crash into human greed and chaos. For every promise of freedom, there's a story of spectacular failure. So, what's the catch? Why does this matter? Digital assets are growing fast and the stakes are getting higher. The excitement is real, but so are the risks, and that's why everyone's suddenly talking about rules. Let's see why the Wild West of crypto is finally getting a sheriff. The Wild West needs a sheriff. Why rules are suddenly on the table. For years, crypto was a lawless frontier. If you lost your money, tough luck. But as billions poured in, the stakes exploded. Grandma's asking about Dogecoin, and celebrities are pitching crypto during the Super Bowl. With more money came bigger collapses, exchanges imploding, stable coins crashing. Governments are scrambling to make rules, not out of love for blockchain, but out of fear. First, consumer protection. People want safeguards, not gifts of rocket ships when things go wrong. Second, crime. Crypto's anonymity is a magnet for money laundering and hackers. Third, financial stability. A crypto crash can shake the whole economy, not just the digital world. Regulators fear a crypto version of the 2008 financial crisis. The hands-off days are over. Rules are coming, fast. The question is, can they keep up? And what happens if they don't? Let's look at how the world is reacting. A global scramble for control. The world wakes up to crypto. When you create a borderless financial system, every country panics at once. The EU's MiCA regulation is a massive rulebook, while El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender, and China banned most crypto, but launched its own digital yuan. Some countries roll out the red carpet for crypto, hoping to become the next big hub. Think Singapore, Switzerland, UAE. Crypto companies are shopping for the friendliest rules, creating a global race. Meanwhile, the US is stuck in gridlock, slow to act, but its decisions will set the global tone. America's rules, or lack of them, will ripple worldwide, shaping where money and talent flow. But right now, Congress is stuck in a political soap opera. The world is moving fast, and the US risks falling behind. The stakes: who controls the future of money? Next, let's see what's happening in Washington. Welcome to Washington, D.C., where good ideas go to die. The U.S. debate over crypto rules is a masterclass in dysfunction. The Clarity Act tries to answer, are digital assets commodities or securities? The proposal splits oversight between two agencies, CFTC for trading, SEC for fundraising. Sounds simple, but it's stuck in the Senate's partisan gridlock. Then there's the Genius Act, meant to regulate stablecoins, but it's already causing headaches. Banks complain about loopholes, and the Fed worries about unstable backing. Every fix seems to create new problems. A government shutdown even sent key regulators home, stalling progress further. The crypto industry wants clear rules, but Congress can't agree on anything. The result? Regulatory paralysis. Investors, innovators, and the public are left in limbo, and the clock is ticking. Enter DeFi, decentralized finance, the ultimate regulatory headache. DeFi aims to automate lending, borrowing, and trading with no banks or bosses. It's like a self-driving car for money, but who's responsible if it crashes? Regulators want someone to hold accountable, but DeFi is designed to be leaderless. A leaked proposal would force anyone running a DeFi website to register and follow strict rules. The crypto industry says this would kill innovation and force decentralization back into a box. They argue you can't hold individuals liable for open public code. This is the main sticking point in Congress. Regulators see a risky, unregulated casino. Crypto advocates see a revolution. Both sides are digging in. Meanwhile, most Americans are just trying to figure out what DeFi even means. The fight over DeFi could decide the future of finance, and it's far from over. So, why should you care about crypto rules if you don't own any? The rules being written now will shape the future of money and the internet. It's about your safety. Clear rules mean exchanges are safer, fraud is harder, and your money is better protected. It's about economic stability. A crypto crash could ripple into the real world, affecting jobs and savings. Sensible rules are fire breaks to stop a crypto blaze from burning down the whole economy. The real challenge is balance. Encourage innovation, but prevent chaos. Too strict, and the US loses out. Too loose, and disaster looms. The outcome will decide if digital assets become mainstream or stay a risky playground. Whether you own crypto or not, this affects everyone. So, yes, pay attention. The future of finance is being written right now, and it's more important than your cousin's latest hot tip. Stay tuned.